Today, a little science magic. It's the gravity-defying root beer bottle. So you're going to need a root beer bottle, piece of rope, and you've got to have a genie inside the bottle. There's a genie inside, seriously. So here's what you do. You put the rope down inside like this, and you tickle the genie, and you turn the whole thing upside down like this, and you say, "Genie, grab onto the rope," and it does. See how it works? Watch this. It'll hang on to it like that. You can't see the genie inside because it's invisible. But no, when you put this like this, and you turn it upside down, and you hand this to your friend, of course, they're going to try it, and there's no way they can do it. Why? Because you've stolen out the secret in your hand, the little tiny ball. Now, it's a science experiment demonstration using a wedge and using friction. Look at this. You just need to find something that will fit inside, like this little cork ball, a rubber ball. I just made this one out of aluminum foil if you had nothing else. So the secret here is it's going to wedge itself against the side so that you can see what's going on. Here is the clear bottle. So when nobody's looking, you drop the little ball inside like this. Now you take the rope, put it down inside. When you turn it over, nobody sees it anyway. When you pull, it wedges itself. See, you can't see it because of that little label there. I know it's tricky. When you turn the whole thing upside down, it floats like this. You just simply push down. It falls down like this. And when they're not looking, you turn it upside down, steal the ball back out again in your hand, and no one is the wiser. I know, a little friction, a little wedge, a little simple machine, but it's a cool way. Do a science magic trick that'll get you thinking. I'm Steve Spangler, and that's your tricky Science Minute.